Hi. Welcome back. I love you always forever. You and I will be together. Okay, goodbye. Anyway, having cats is fun. I should show you what he's doing right now. That's right, that's my cat. And I had to make room because he was about to jump and there were some paintings that were in front of him. So, yeah, studio life, studio cat. And now he's gonna get, okay, cool. Okay, so today we are going to be covering up this painting. And I think I'm going to probably peel some of this paint off. Like with the scraper, like this. Kind of a deal. Yeah, like that. So today we are going to be putting a new base layer on this one to cover up this old painting. And then we are switching gears and we are going to be working on the bird nest painting that I need to start. Also, I need to check on these other paintings that I did. I have to figure out, like, I need to varnish them and get them ready to be mailed. It's another thing on my list of things to do. So, yes. So, what we're doing is covering this up, cleaning off the palette, then starting the bird nest painting. Sounds easy? I don't know, we'll see. Alright, let me get started. So, welcome back. This is where we're at right now. I feel like it's definitely part of the ugly stage. Although I did those eggs really good. I feel like I need to let it dry a little bit. I wanted to put the twigs that are in shadow in first. I don't know how much of this background I'm going to just kind of fan out and blend it into the background, because some of it is like in perspective, like not blurry, and some of it is blurry. So obviously the main focus is this, and then like certain things are closer and they're blurry. But anyway, my cat came to visit. He's been sitting on my chair this whole time, so it was very uncomfortable to paint. Yeah, I think I originally wanted to do, so for the painting that I did earlier, I originally wanted to do the snowdrop painting on it because I just thought it would be really cute, but the lines are still kind of visible, not like the color, but like you can see them because of the texture. So I kind of had an idea with that, but I don't know yet. I gotta mull it over. It's either gonna be snowdrops or it's going to be like, I don't know, something else. But I haven't figured it out yet. I will. But yeah, so that's the story. I still have to update my website. I still haven't done that. Yay! This is my painting. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, my brain stopped working, it's late. I hope you guys have a wonderful creative day, and I hope you enjoyed watching this come together, watching the other canvas get painted, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!